Hello everyone, please confirm me in the chat box if I'm properly audible or not, or screen is visible or not. Kindly confirm. Hello Ayush, am I audible? Please confirm. Anybody kindly confirm. Am I properly audible or not? So that we can move on. Otherwise, okay. Meanwhile, let me introduce myself. My name is Puneet Kansal. I'm mentor at iNeuron, and I'm taking up this new series of cracking Google in 21 days. In this series, I will be covering 21 most important concepts with the help of Google questions. Okay, so after this series, what you will learn? You will learn 21 most important concepts which will help you to crack the Google, not only Google, but other product based companies also. That is sure. That is sure because I'm covering all the different topics, all the more important topics in the DSA with the help of the Google problems. So definitely if we are targeting Google, then other companies will automatically will be targeted, definitely. So this series will definitely help you not only for Google but for other product based companies also. In every session you will learn a different concept, a different technique which we will learn with the help of Google problem. But before moving on, please write in the comment section if I am properly audible or not. Kindly confirm so that I can move on. Kindly anybody confirm. This is our third session. Okay, this is our third session. Already we have already taken two sessions. So if you have not registered for this course, you can go to the description and register for this course, and you will also get free certificate if you will complete this course. This is this lecture is independent of previous two lectures. So if you are new here, don't need to worry. This every lecture in this series is actually different, is independent of any other lecture. So if you are you don't need to know anything, you can just join today's session. After today's session, this concept, sliding window technique, this concept will be clear to you. This concept will be clear to you, and you will be able to solve the problem related to this. After that you can practice means the problems from here. So this concept will be clear. Fine. Okay, thanks Siddharth. Thanks Siddhant for confirming I'm properly audible. Thank Nishit Kumar. Fine. Okay, so let me proceed with this session. Already we have covered first lecture that in which we covered a mathematical problem, and in the second lecture we cover the partial sum technique. Today we are going to cover the sliding window technique. We are going to take a Google problem, and we are going to cover sliding window technique and so on. These are the future lectures: two pointer, bitwise recursion, backtracking, sorting, divide and conquer, binary search, matrix, hash table, string, linked list, tag, queue, binary tree, BFS, DFS, greedy, dynamic. All the important concepts of DSA we will be covering with the help of this series, and I'm sure this will be definitely will help you. Fine. Okay, so let's start with today's problem, that is fruits into baskets. So this is an interesting one actually. Fruits into baskets. So let me show my screen back. Here is my problem, fruits into basket, and we will solve this using the sliding window. Good evening Thomas, nice to see you back. Any okay, before moving on to this problem also, any doubt? If you are if anything you want to discuss with me about this series, then we can discuss that also for 1 minute. Okay, I will take some of your doubts. If anything related to this series, if you want to ask to me, or anything related to my upcoming course, that is mastering DSA basic to advance, if about that course you want to ask, you can discuss with me, or anything about the roadmap of the DSA you want to discuss, I Let take 1 minute to discuss about that. After that, okay, we will take this problem, and the motive of this session is to clear you sliding window technique. One is this, and this technique is this problem is also very nice problem, so you will enjoy this one. And name is also very interesting, that is fruits into baskets, so we will enjoy this one. Any doubt, anything related to my course or this series, or anything about the DSA? So even people usually ask me on iNeuron channel that okay, I am a AI engineer, I want to go in AI area, so should I attend these classes, these DSA classes? How relevant is DSA for AI student? Okay, so machine learning student means. So what I will say that okay, if you will go to any product based company, if you are applying for machine learning engineer role, still the first phase will be from DSA only. Okay, first phase you need to go through the DSA. So we cannot skip this. We cannot skip this. DS first round, if you will not clear, then how you will go for the other rounds of machine learning rounds? There will be machine learning rounds also, but first round will be DSA. If you are going for product based company, I'm talking about maybe startup. For startups, they will not ask you the DSA. If you are going to machine learning role, they just want to the point things. To the, if you know the technology, they will hire you. That's it. Startups. But I'm talking about product based company where the package is starting from 20 plus. If today you are targeting for those companies, or maybe after 2 years, maybe after 5 years, you're thinking about the Google or any other product based company, which we usually think as a software engineer, then DSA is the only way. Means after 2 years, even after up to 5 years, even you need to give the first phase will be first screening will be through DSA only. So the DSA will be requiring even you are a machine learning engineer, because first first step first step will be DSA only, first test will be DSA only. Okay, so definitely that will benefit you if even you are a machine learning engineer. One more thing, okay, let me discuss from my side. You people are not asking. So there is a uh, one more thing I will discuss. Then I will take the Thomas question. Is that okay? There is a Darwin software is coming, which is people are saying will replace the software engineers. I will just add my viewpoint in this. Okay, so is that will really replace the software engineers? According to my viewpoint, your viewpoint might be different. According to me, actually Darwin will replace the people who are working in service based company. Believe me, who are working in service based company, there will be Darwin will work like a assistant that will write the code for you, but as an assistant for you. If you are a quality engineer, means like you are preparing, like if you have good logic building, then you will be the boss of that. You will instruct him, okay, write the code like this, like that, like this, like that. You can use that. Okay, you can use those code, but still you need to verify. You need to, it's not like that will completely write the software complete A to Z. It's not like that. You need to give the instructions. You to give the instructions again, you need to be master at that thing. Okay, so what I want to tell you is that according to my viewpoint, this type of AI tools will not cannot replace the people who are very good at logic building. Those are good at logic building, means the people who are working in product based companies, those will not be get replaced. Even these people will come to service based company, and the people who are working downside in service based company, they will be replaced actually very fast. In the more in the future, very deep, I don't know, but this is going to be the future in next, you can say, up to 5 Please confirm me if I'm properly audible. I believe I am audible now. Anybody can confirm me if I'm audible? Anybody? I hope I'm audible now because yes, Thomas. Thanks for replying, Thomas. Thanks for replying. Okay. So, okay, I was just taking some of your questions like that. Okay. I was just saying that, okay, that Darwin is not going to replace the product based company people. The people of that quality that will not be replaced, but they will rule over that tool. Okay, so service based people will be get replaced. That will be the first one which will be get replaced. So please improve your skills. Just I want to say this thing. Thanks Vikash for confirming. So please move to from service based to the product base. You need to improve yourself, otherwise these tools will definitely will replace you. This is my personal opinion. Don't take it means future what will happen, I don't know, but according to my experience of 12 year in this industry, I'm just sharing, and I'm just sharing with you people. I don't have motive to means panic you, but just sharing that, okay, yes, these will create the problem, but not for the people who are in product based company. And these product based company type people means who have logical thinking skill, who know DSA well, who can give the instructions to these AI tools, they will survive only, what I feel, in next years. This is my personal opinion. Don't just according to my experience, I'm just sharing with you. Fine, okay. Yes, Lincoln Sahu is sharing the same thing, is agreeing with the same thing. Thomas, it is less welcoming to learn the different solution first, later try out the similar type of questions. Yeah, do not, Thomas, you have to try different type of questions. Okay, take first go through all these different type of algorithms. Okay, this will make your path easy. See again, if I share two paths for learning for DSA, one path is competitive programming, another path is DSA path. In competitive programming, you don't know anything, jump. It's like jump inside it and start learning. Whatever the question will be requiring, then you are learning the techniques. No doubt, nobody can replace that. But this is the observation from last 2 to 3 years, that okay, my observation that even you can see in the market, out of 100 people, 96 are giving up in the competitive programming, and they got stuck. They don't know how to proceed on. So the second path is you can go with the DSA, go through different techniques and then practice the question. Again, bring the competitive programming here also, make it hybrid, give the competition on code forces and lead code, means club the DSA with that, then this will give more result, because the path will be, because now you know how much you have done progress, so you can do that way. Fine, okay. Fine, okay. So let's start with today's session now. Let's start with today's session. So today's problem is fruits into baskets. I will be keep taking your doubts, whatever doubts coming to your mind. We will keep talking about these type of doubts also. These are also important, means you can share these also. Meanwhile, whenever I will be getting the chance, I will keep explaining these things also. Otherwise, here is a very nice question, very beautiful question with me, that is fruits and baskets. And let's see what this problem is. We don't need to worry about anything about this technique and all that stuff. Let's look at the problem, what this problem is. So let me read the problem statement. You are given a visiting, you are visiting a farm that has a single row of fruit trees arranged from left to right. So like, okay, maybe like they, there is some trees. Okay, let me make the trees. So this is one tree, this is another tree, This is another tree. I don't know. This these are not. These are different type of tree. Maybe similar type of tree can also be there. Like this one and this one is similar. Looks like little bit. Maybe this one will match a little bit with the starting one. Okay, fine. So they provide us. We are visiting a farm, and there are trees from left to right. There are trees, fruit trees from left to right. Okay, fine. Then what? The tree are represented by integer array. So we can represent this tree by one integer array. Fine, okay. And this integer array actually, where fruit of I is the type of the fruit the ith tree produce. For example, this tree produce, let's suppose apple. This tree produce apple. Let's suppose this tree produce mango. I don't know. And this tree produce again. This produce apple. This tree produce, let's suppose, mango. And this tree produce, let's suppose, orange. I don't know. I'm just making, this is orange. Is this looking like orange? This is apple. Let me differentiate between orange and apple. So okay, fine. And this is okay, banana. Again, this is banana. Okay, they just provide us a fruit tree, and we are moving in the farm from left to right, and these three are actually given in the input like a array. Fine, okay. Fine, okay. Now uh, they say that okay, this is the just something they given to us. They say that okay, you want to collect as much fruit as possible. We need to collect as much fruits as possible, but there are some rules we need to follow to collect the fruit from these trees. There are some rules. What are the rules? So the first rule is you have two baskets. We have only two baskets with us, and each basket can hold the single type of fruit. Like we have two basket, and every basket, like this basket can have only apples maybe, and another basket we have maybe that can have only another one type of fruit only. Either this will be holding, this will keep, if we are putting apple, then all apple will go in this. If we are putting, let's suppose, banana, then all banana will go in this. So we have two baskets with us, and they can hold single type of fruit. Okay, and there is no limit, okay, amount of fruit they can hold. So there is no limit how many fruit these baskets can hold. So second rule is here. So we need to follow this rule. First rule they given to us is we have two baskets. Okay, we have two baskets, and every basket can hold same type of fruit. Either first basket either can have apple, all the apple, or all the banana, or all the orange, like that. So every basket have single type of fruit. This is the first condition. Second condition, keep listening me. The question will be very much clear. Starting from any tree of your choice, you must pick exactly one fruit from every tree. So we are moving in the tree from left to right, one tree to another tree. Okay, and we can start from any tree. Okay, we are moving from left to right. The second is simply saying that you are moving from left to right, and you can start from first tree, or maybe the second tree or third tree. Okay, we can start from any tree, and we can move from left to right. Last condition they give to us is once you reach a tree with a fruit that cannot fit into the basket, you must stop. So one thing is here is that, let me explain the question now completely. One thing here is that, okay, let me explain this question with the help of this input. Again, I'm repeating this question. So they just provide us an array. The array is showing the trees. The array is showing the trees. So this tree is having a type of zero fruit. This type of fruit. These are the type of fruit. These are the type of fruit. So like a zero type of fruit, one type of fruit, like maybe zero means apple. Okay. 1 means banana. Banana. 2 means orange. Maybe I don't know. So different tree have different type of fruits. Two tree can have same type of fruit also. Fine, they provide us this array. I'm explaining the question once again. Okay, so there is an these are the fruit trees. Here in this case we have four trees actually. 0, 1, 2, 2. Four trees we have. First tree is having zero type of fruit. Second tree is having one type of fruit. This tree is having third tree is having two type of fruit. Fourth tree is having two type of fruit. Okay, fine. Okay, now we need to pick maximum number of fruits. We want to pick maximum number of fruits in a, we have two baskets with us. We have two baskets with us and we want to pick maximum number of fruits in this. But what is the condition? Condition is like this. So let's suppose I'm starting from first location. So I can put only similar type of fruit in a basket. Similar type of fruit, single type of fruit I can put in a basket. Okay, so if I'm putting zero type of fruit in this, then no more other tree is having zero type of fruit. And then I'm moving from left to right. Now I'm putting one type of fruit. So one type of fruit I cannot put here because similar type of fruit should be there in one basket. If I put one type of fruit here, then I cannot put any more fruit. So how many fruit I pick? One is this and one is this. One is this, one is this. So two fruits we pick. Two fruits we pick. So yes, Ayush already give the answer to this question. For this input, what should be the output? 2. Sorry, that should be 3. Not 2. Why not 2? Okay, why not 2? Sorry, that should not be 2. That should be 3. Why? I put 0 here. I put 1 here. Okay, but this is not the maximum number of fruits I can put into the basket. This is not the maximum number of fruits. What can be the other possibility? So I have two baskets. I have two baskets with me. Keep listening me, keep with me, and everything will be very much clear. So rather than putting this fruit, maybe I can start from here. I can start from 1. If I start from 1, I put this inside the basket and I'm moving from left to right. I start from this location and moving from left to right. Now I can put this fruit and this fruit also. These two fruits inside this basket. I can put a fruit from this tree and this tree. From one tree I can pick one fruit. Okay, so from one tree I can pick one fruit. So they have mentioned this thing actually. You must pick exactly one fruit from every tree. See, we must pick exactly one fruit from every tree. So in this case, how many fruits we pick up? 3. Okay, so the answer should be 3 here, not 2. This is not the right answer. Answer should be 3. So I should start from 1. I should start from 1. Okay, don't worry. I have other lots of examples with me. You people please first of all try yourself. First of all, please try yourself. Then I will again explain it. Please tell me what should be the output for this second input. Please try. Please try. Please check out the answer. Please check out the problem statement is in front of you. Problem statement is in front of you. Please read it. I don't know. Read it yourself. You need to read it yourself in the exam also. Please read it yourself. I just give you the little idea about the problem now. Please read the problem statement. Give me the output. Please try. Output for the second input. See, if you will not try, believe me, there is no other way to bring the DSA to you, to bring this logic building to you, unless you will not think. I can give you right now the straight solution. I can give you examples, outputs again and again, and I can just provide you all that stuff, but that will not work. Believe me, that will not work. Please try. Please try. Keep trying, keep replying. This should be our mantra. If you really want to be efficient in programming, okay, if you don't want to be get replaced, if you don't want to be get replaced in this market, the market right now is very vulnerable. There is no job security at all. Nothing. The only people can survive is who have the quality. That's it. No other way. If you are in service based company, you will that will stay in your mind that okay, that you can be fired anytime. Even the AI tools are coming to replace. How we are fighting with the humans, AI is also entering. You need to be boss. You need to be boss of that AI. For that, you need to be good at DSA. You need to be good at logic building, and you need to think. Please. Okay, we get two answer. One is from Thomas, one is from Ayush. Right or wrong doesn't matter. That should not matter in class. If you are giving right answer or wrong answer, the only thing matter is we are giving reply or not. We are trying or not. Because the moment you try, learning will happen. Okay. So the output is 4. Yes, you people are right. Output is 4. Let me again explain the question once again. I'm again starting. They provide us a number of trees. These are the trees. Number of tree here is in this example is 5. Let me write number of tree here is 5 actually. And this is 0th tree. This is 1th tree. This is 2nd tree, 4th tree, 3rd tree, 4th tree. Okay. You can see here is that first tree and 3rd tree and 4th tree have the same type of fruit. Same type of fruit. The fruit is same in the first tree, 3rd tree and 4th tree. Okay, fine, okay. Now we have two baskets with us. One is this basket and one is this basket. This is the condition they provide to us. They say that you have two baskets. Fine, okay. And they are saying that both two baskets can hold only single type of fruit. This can hold one type of fruit. This can also hold only one type of fruit. Either all apples will be in this one type of fruit in one basket. Fine, okay. We need to follow this. Second condition, they say that okay, you can move from left to right. You can move from left to right. You can start from any index, 0 index, first index, anywhere you can start. Simply that is saying in the second one. And they are saying that okay, one more thing, you can pick only one fruit from one tree. One fruit from one tree. So from 3rd tree, I can pick one fruit of this type, 2 type. These are the type of fruit. 2, 1, 3, 2, 2. They are type of fruit. Okay. So second condition is simply saying that from one tree, one fruit. One tree, one fruit. Fine. Third statement is saying that okay, once you reach the tree, let's suppose, see, we have two baskets only, so you can pick only 2 type of fruits. Means you have 2 baskets, and every basket can store only same type of fruit, single type of fruit. So maximum type of fruit you can pick is 2, because you have 2 baskets, and these baskets store only same type of fruit. So you can store only 2 type of fruit. The moment you get the 3rd type of fruit, you will stop. This is what third statement is saying. So okay, now if I'm starting, let's see how these people are giving the 4 answer. Let's check out this thing. So if we're starting from this location and moving on, if I pick this, put in the basket, fine. Then pick this, put in the second basket. This is different fruit, fine. Now this 3rd type of fruit come here. Now we cannot put it not in this, because every basket have same type of fruit. So we cannot put this fruit inside first basket and second basket, and we will stop. So according to this, if I'm starting from 0th location, then output will be 2. I just put 2 fruits. One is this, one is this. But how they are people giving 4? How they are putting 4 fruits? Actually, they are starting from this location. Second, this location they are starting on and moving on. So in the first basket they put 2, fine. In the second basket they put 3, fine. Then they get 2. This is same as this fruit. They can put this type of fruit here itself. This is also same, so they can put this here itself. That's it. So how many fruits they put? 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 fruits they put in the basket. Fine. Fine, okay. If you are really able to understand this problem statement, can you please tell me what should be the output for this input? Understanding the problem statement is very important. How you can confirm that in interview? In interview, this is very important. You make sure that you understand the problem statement. Because many times what students do is they read the problem statement, and these are story type of problems, okay, and this might happen that you understand the problem in wrong way. This might happen. What they do is they start solving the problem in that direction. What they think about the problem, they start solving the problem in that direction. They invest their time over there, okay, and they come up to the wrong answer. Immediately you will be disqualified. Immediately, believe me. Interviewer will not even, if you have taken lots of time, then they will not listen to you back. And what the reason they will not listen to you back? See, it's not like they have any irritation with this thing. No, they know that mistakes can happen. They know this thing, but there is actual reason behind this. Why they will immediately reject you if you are not reading the problem statement properly. It's like customer is giving customer comes to you and he is giving a problem statement to you, okay, and you are coming up with a software, you are coming up with a solution after you're taking time, and you're coming up with a solution which is totally different what is required, so this is very important. If you are not satisfying the customer requirement, how much good is your solution? That will not work. So understanding the problem statement is very important. So how you can make sure that you understand the problem statement properly? You can make you can think, first of all, these test cases. Please check out for the test cases which is mentioned, which is provided to you, okay, and after that verify your own test case and confirm it from the interviewer. Ask him, sir, for this input, this should be the output or not. Please ask. He will be happy. He will be happy that you are asking, you are confirming about that, okay, you are confirming about the problem statement. He will be happy. If you are asking to the customer that, sir, this is what you want, you can ask the question to the customer initially, but not after 1 month you are coming back and saying that, oh no, everything is mashed up. No, you are then, nobody can save your job also then. Okay, so it's better to, what I want to say is that clarifying the problem statement is very important. How you can clarify? Make your own test case. First go through these test cases and then make your own test case. Ask to the interviewer, sir, this should be the output. Please confirm, this should be the output for this input. This means you are clarifying. That's great thing means. Please don't take it easy. Okay. Fine, okay. Can you tell me what will be the output? So Thomas and Ayush is saying that 8 and 8. So let me check out. Keep trying, keep replying, please. That is the only mantra that will work. If I will say that I will give you everything, believe me, I'm lying. Believe me, I'm lying. It's a math I cannot give you until unless you will not try. I can give you the path. I can give you the path which is I'm giving in my course, Mastering DSA, which is I'm coming. You can check out this course on our iNeuron website. I can give you the path. I can give you one solution, but you need to practice and you need to try it. That is your right or wrong doesn't matter. And that should not matter in class. That should matter in exam. In interview that should matter, not in class. We are here for learning. Let me check out the output is 8 or not. Yes, the output is 8. How these people are coming with 8? Means they understand the problem statement properly. One thing is confirmed. Still, okay. Actually, if I starting from here, then I can put this in basket 1. I can put this is also in basket 1. I can put this in also basket 1. 1, 1 and 1 can go in basket 1. Basket 1. And these 2, 2, 2, 2 can go in basket 2. But there is total number of elements you inserted is 7, but there is better solution. You can start from here. You can start from 2. If you are starting from 2, then you can put 4 2's in first basket. 4 2's, 2, 2, 2, 2. And these 4 3 in second basket. 4 3, keep asking. If something doubt is coming, don't hesitate. That will be welcome in interview also. So these 4 3 can be inserted in second basket. So it's better we start from this location, because now maximum fruit we inserted is 8. Here we were inserting 7. So it's better we start from here. This should be the answer. Means 8 should be the output. 8 should be the output. Yes, Utsavi, you are trying. That's great thing. That is the only thing required. Right or wrong doesn't require at all. Okay, still we have one more chance. Still the people who are trying, who are still thinking, please try this last example. Last example, then we will move toward the solutions. Please try this and please reply. Please keep trying and keep replying. Please tell me what should be the output for this input. What should be the output? Please try. Please try, please reply. Last input from my side. And if you will try it, believe me, then this test case is also giving you some ideas. Okay, I need to cover this case also, this case also. Then the logic will start building. If you will cover all the different type of cases in your brain, then the logic will also building strong way in your brain. Tell me what should be the output. Please try. Tell me what should be the output. Right or wrong doesn't matter. That should not matter in class. What should be the output for this input? That is the only way to master the DSA. Keep trying, keep replying. This is our mantra. Please try. So here now we are getting two different answers this time. Ayush and Thomas were giving the same answer from last 3 examples, but right now they are giving different answers. Means both need to think over it. Okay, Ayush also come to 6. So where I need to start, Thomas and Ayush? If you are saying 6, from which index I need to start? Can you tell me? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From which index I need to start? From 0. If I'm starting from 0, see Ayush, if I'm starting from, Vikas is saying 4. Great, one more. Great, great, great. Please keep sharing. Please keep sharing. So if I'm starting from 0, I'm saying that, okay, I have 2 baskets with me. This is one, this is another. So I get 1, I put it here. Next I get 2. Okay, I can put in another basket. I cannot put in same basket because one basket have only single type of fruit. I get 1, this type of fruit I can put in this basket, no problem. I get 1, I can put it over here. 3, I cannot put anywhere. The moment I get different one, see third rule. Once you cannot insert the fruit into the basket, you must stop. Now I will stop. Okay. because I cannot put 3 anywhere out of these two. I have 2 basket only. So total number of fruit I have inserted in this case is 4. If I'm starting from 0th location, I'm starting from 0th location, but we need maximum number of fruit I need to insert. You are allowed to start from anywhere. Say they said in the second rule, starting from any tree, starting from any index means starting from, you can start from any index. They want maximum. So you're not getting 6. Ayush, Thomas and Utsavi also, we are not getting 6 if we are starting from 0. We are not getting 6. If I what about if I start from what about if I start from second position, second index, this index. If I start from this index, now Thomas comes to 5. Great. So now if we start from second index, I can put this in the basket. Fine. I can put this in the basket. Fine. Can I put in the first basket? No, but in the second basket, yes. This, yes, in the second basket. This, yes, in the second basket. This one, no, I need to stop, because according to third rule, the moment I cannot insert a fruit, means you are getting third type of fruit. Simply you can stop when you are getting third type of fruit. When you are getting third type of fruit, you can stop. And so how many fruits you inserted? 5. 2 here, 3 here, 2 here, 3 here. Okay. So 5 type of fruits, 5 maximum fruits we have inserted. Fine. Okay, fine. So I hope now the problem statement is clear to you. How many people? Okay, problem statement is clear. Problem statement is clear. Please write +1. If problem statement is clear, I'm repeating, the people who are new here, let me explain the problem statement once again. The people who are able to get it, please write +1. The people who are new here, let me tell you the problem statement. Once again, we have chance, last chance. So they just provide one array to us. Simple. Problem statement is very simple. Like they provide one just array to us. They are asking, we are allowed to pick 2 different type of fruit, okay, which are coming consecutively, or mathematically, if I say to this problem, I need to find a sub array which have 2 type of numbers. Same problem, in one line I can say this complete statement, all this complete PPT I can say in one line. Can you find a sub array which have maximum number of 2 type of fruit? Can you find out of a complete array, can you find out a sub array, or can you find out the maximum sub array which have only 2 types of fruits? That's it. So you need to find the maximum sub array which have only 2 type of fruits. Okay, this is the question. That's it. This is the question. All this complete slide come in this statement. That's it. Fine. Okay. If any doubt, you can ask me. Please ask the doubt. Your doubts are more important actually, because the same doubt will comes to other people also. So please don't hesitate to ask the doubt. Otherwise, now let's try to solve this problem. Whatever is coming to your mind, you people also share. Okay. If any idea coming to your mind, please share. I'm sharing now. I'm going to the problem actually. This is the problem I pick from here. This is the problem I pick from lead code. You can check out there also. Fruits into baskets. You can check out, you can just simply write in the Google fruits into basket and you will get this lead code. You will get this problem. And I pick the same means same examples from here. I added some 2 from my side also for clarity purpose. Fine. This same problem statement I pick from here. Do you have any idea? Anybody, any idea how you will solve the problem? How you will solve this problem? Let me take a tool also. Let me minimize this and let me go to the desktop and take my tool also, open board. So this will help us to write on the coding screen. So that will be great over there if I can write over there. So open board is here, desktop is here, and here is our tool. Fine, okay. Any idea coming to your mind you can share, otherwise let me share one idea from my side. Let me share one idea. You please verify. You need to verify at your end. You need to try to fail it. Okay, you people please try to fail the idea which is I'm sharing with you. Okay, which is I'm sharing with you. Please try to fail that. Taking the pen from here. Fine, okay. Here is the idea. I'm taking one example like, okay, this is our array like 1 2 1, maybe, okay, one more time, 2 1 1 3 3. Okay, let me take the same example. This will be better. You will be able to connect. So rather than taking different example, it's better to take the same example which we discuss. So this is the example which I take: 1 2 1 1 3 3 3 4 5. So this was the input array given to us, and you people give me the answer that maximum 5 fruits we can pick in 2 baskets. Fine. Now I'm giving one first approach to you. Okay, this is my approach 1. Okay, actually I'm just sharing the brute force approach. What this approach is doing is, let me erase it from here and let me write over here approach. So the problem statement is also in front of you now. You can see that approach 1. Fine, let me give the name brute force. So just I'm straightforward technique I'm using over here. Ayush, I will come to your solution also, but let me take my solution, then I will take your solution. Ayush, actually your solution will fail for this example actually. See, for this example your solution will fail. Check out, you can check out if you want. You are saying that check for that index which have maximum number of occurrence. So this have maximum number of occurrence, this have maximum number of occurrence. According to you, this the answer will be 4 this and 1 this, 5. 5 should be the answer. But we can take all these. Rather than taking these, we can take all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So for this example, your idea is failing. You are trying, that is important, and this is the only way to learn. This is the only way to learn. Fine, okay. Otherwise, I'm giving one idea from my side. Brute force approach I'm using. I'm simply just doing what? See, I'm just first I start watching from first step. I just take this, put in the basket. Fine. I start from here, okay. And moving to the right side until unless I have only 2 type of fruits. Okay, let me declare a variable also here, max variable in the starting is 0. Fine. And this will store, max variable store, okay, what can be this will store the maximum number of fruits which we can store. Okay, every sub array will give a number of fruits that can store, every sub array. So whichever sub array will give me the maximum fruit, I will update that in this variable. That's it. Fine, okay. What I'm doing is I'm starting from this. Okay, let me give it a name, left. So my left variable is pointing to starting value, and now I'm moving to the right one by one. Until unless I have only two fruits. So up to here you can notice I have 2 fruits, either 1 or 2. Up to here, so in my basket how many fruits are here? 4 fruits are here. 4 fruits are here. The moment I get a third fruit, so now I get third fruit, what I will do, I will move the left. I will move the left over here. You need to verify if this will work or not. Okay, I will move the left over here. Again, I will check from left to right. until unless I have two fruits only. So up to this position again up to this position, up to here again. I started from this position now and going up to here, I find out that okay, I have two fruits only. Okay, but number of fruits now I find out is 3, which is less than my previous maximum. So I will not update it. So what I will do, then I will again move my left. I will step by step I'm moving the left. Simple, the idea is that I'm moving my left and I am checking from left to right until unless there is only two fruits. So now this time up to here I have two fruits. You can see either one type of fruit or either three type of fruit. Okay, up to here I have two fruits now. Now the total sum number of fruits here is 5, which is greater than my previous max. So I will update my previous max. Yes, we are incrementing the left. Again, I will keep doing this thing. I'm repeating. See, I'm repeating the same thing. Please check out this thing. Now I will move back again. Until the moment I get the third fruit, I will increment my left. My left is here now. Again, I'm checking until I have two fruits. Okay, up to here now I have two fruits. Again, up to here I have two fruits. But this time, number of fruits are less than, number of fruits are 4. But already I have one sub array which give me the 5 fruits. So I will not update and I will move further. Move left to here. Now left will be here. So keep moving on until unless I have two fruits only. So up to here, up to 4 I have two fruits. Fifth is adding the third fruit. Okay. So, but the size here is again 4. This will not work. Now for this I will check, this will not work. Now for this 3 and 4 I will check, this will not work. Now 4 and 5, again number of fruits are less. That's it. So first of all, is this idea working? Or not? First of all, this thing. Are you able to connect? Can you fail this idea? Is this idea working or not? First of all. Second thing, you need to tell me if you are saying that this idea is working, can you tell me how much time? What will be the time complexity? What will be the time complexity for this idea? Can you tell me what will be the time complexity? First of all, you need to verify in your brain, is this working or not? If you think that this is working, write +1. This is showing that just I want to connect with you people. That's it. I need to connect. You are not sitting in front of me. I cannot watch you. So only by communication we can make the bond more stronger. Okay. Otherwise, I need to put some satellite over the earth and I need to watch everyone. Okay. I don't need to watch. Even the God is watching. God is watching to you. So please afraid from the God and don't sit idle. The people who are sitting idle and enjoying the lecture, I'm talking to them. God is watching you. Maybe I'm not watching, but God is watching. Okay. Okay, fine. Can you tell me? So this idea is working. This is not taking order of n time. Ayush, this is not taking order of n time. Think again. You people please think again. How much time this will take in worst case I'm talking about. In worst case, how much time this will take. The people who don't know the time complexity don't need to worry at all. Okay. Because we don't know, then why we have to worry. If you want to know, you can go to my DSA Foundation series. There you can learn this thing. Otherwise, don't need to worry right now if you don't know time, how to find the time complexity. Okay. The people who know, please reply. It's not order of n. It is actually n square. This will take n square time in worst case. See, every time, you just moving one step and then checking the array. Moving one step, checking the array. Moving one step, checking the array. Moving one step, checking the array. You're going through the array. So, in the worst case, for one step, we are going up to n. For second step, again n. For third step, again n. So, how much time you will take? For n step, again n. So, that will be n into n. So, in the worst case, that is taking n square time. In the worst case, that is taking n square time. This is not taking n time. This is not taking n time because you are repeating. Why this is not taking n time? You are repeating. You people are repeating the same task. I am repeating the same task over here. Okay. Let me go through this. Go through this one more time. Let me erase this and you think over it. How this is taking n square time. First approach. So we apply first approach, which is just what that is doing is simply we moving one step. We are moving one step, and at every step I'm checking the right side, going to the right side until unless I'm finding two colors. Okay. So in the first case you start from here, left was here, you check up to here. Okay. In the second case your left was here. See, in the first case you check 4 elements. In the second case you check 3 elements. See, these elements already you have checked earlier also, but you are checking them again. Okay. So there is a possibility that we can improve it because we have already checked these 3 elements. So we can improve it. Otherwise, so every time you are in the worst case, you can go up to n. Okay. In the worst case, you can go up to n. So yes, that will take, that's why for one step you are taking, for one you are taking n. Every time n. So in that case, like maybe all numbers are, let's suppose one, like all number are same. Okay, all number are same. Then you are starting from here. Then you check till the end. Okay, you check till the end. All number are same. Okay, I'm taking this case. Then you check till the end. Then you move your left. Again you check till the end. Again you move your left. Again you check till the end. Because only one number, even all fruits will come in one basket. But you need, according to your logic, you need to check it. You are checking for all of these numbers. Okay, I'm just taking one case. Again we can modify it, like I can put just 1 2 in this. Okay, then you need to come up to here, or maybe I can put 2 just at the second last element. So you're going till the second last element every time for every number. So approximately I can say that approximately every time you're taking n time. And how many steps you are taking? The size of this array is n. So for one step you are taking n time. For n step you will take n into n time. That is n square time. Fine. So this technique is taking n square time. Any doubt you can ask me. Any doubt, please ask me. Your doubts are more important actually other than any new information. Any doubt, please ask me. So one idea I give you. But this is taking n square time. And then the interviewer will ask you, can you improve it? Can you improve it? Okay, your idea is working fine. But n square is very large time. Can you improve it somehow? Okay, might be if you are getting stuck over there like that, if they will directly will ask you, can you improve it somehow? Then might be he will see that, okay, let's suppose you are not coming up with the answer. You're not getting the idea. See, Thomas asked me, I think earlier. Thomas, I don't know, Ayush or Thomas asked me, sir, what should be the patterns? Somebody was asking about the patterns. Means which pattern means which technique I need to apply over here. This we need to learn. Which technique we have to apply over here. So let's suppose you are not coming up in the interview also with the technique. Which technique I have to apply to solve this problem. Okay, you are not, maybe this might happen, it's okay. This might also happen that you are not coming up with the idea. Which technique you can apply. Then you can ask for the hint. It's okay. You can ask for the hint also. You can ask, sir, can you please give me some little hint to move on. It's okay. They will give you hint also. Okay. So let me give you one hint over here like that. Okay. You can use the sliding window technique. Now they provide you the technique. They provide you a technique. Can you now use this technique? They solve the big problem, that pattern problem with for you. They are giving you the hint that okay, you can use the sliding window technique. Can you solve this technique using sliding window? Might be you can apply the sliding window over here. So okay, now you need to think how I can apply the sliding window technique to solve this problem. You understand the problem, you solve it one technique. Now you can improve it using sliding window technique. Okay, now you need to think over and you need to come up with the solution. That will come by practice only. If I will teach you the sliding window, no doubt you will get it, but that will not work until unless you will not solve the further the problems over that. Okay, so it's like a math only. So okay, I'm just giving one idea to you, but I will ask you now how you are applying the sliding window over here. I will ask you that thing. I'm just giving the idea. I'm just applying some steps over here, but you need to think again. Okay, how this approach is solving the problem. Okay, I will leave some questions over there, and you need to answer those questions. Those questions are actual learning. Okay, my that those questions are actual learning. Believe me, answer is not important. Okay, I'm giving you the approach two. So I'm just performing some operations. First of all, you verify, try to fail it, try to fail this approach. I'm giving you second approach to solve the same problem. We solve this problem with one approach, fine. We want to maximize number of fruits in our two baskets. Let's solve this problem using another way. I'm just telling you another way. You please verify at your end in your brain. Is this working fine or not? That is required. This is the only reason many people give up in the DSA, and this is the main reason that okay, what is the reason why the people give up in competitive programming and DSA is this is the main reason. What is the reason is that they understand the concepts, they know the sliding window technique, but they are not thinking. They are not thinking about the problem. They are not giving the thinking about the problem. Okay, this thinking is required to move on. Okay, so please think. Okay, I'm sharing the second approach now. Please verify this is working fine or not. Here is the second approach. I take a variable max which will store okay our result. This is our result max variable. And here this will store the maximum fruits which we can store in our in any sub array which we can get. Initially that is 0. Fine, okay. I am taking a variable left, just similar to previous one, means left. Okay, and I'm moving again, the same thing I'm doing actually. I'm moving from left to right until unless I'm getting two fruits only. Until unless we are getting two fruits, we can put them in basket. Okay, and up to here you have two fruits only. Up to here, okay, you have two fruits only. So the maximum size now of sub array you get is 4 till now. Okay, you can put these 4 fruits inside two baskets. You know this thing, you know this example. The moment you will reach here, okay, let me take one more variable, right variable. So this is pointing to the third number of fruit, third type of fruit. Okay, the moment you get third type of fruit, you will stop. What you will do? See what you will do. You will increment the left. You will increment the left. Again you will check. See, this is the difference between previous technique and this technique. Until unless everything is same. Now you increment the left. There also we increment the left. Now we are not checking. We are not checking from here to here. We are just verifying. How many fruits, different type of fruits now we have. Still, if you have 3 type of fruits, more than two type of fruits, okay, what you will do, you will not again calculate this thing, you will not verify this thing. What you will do, you will move, you will increment the left, that's it. This is the only difference I'm making. I'm repeating that thing. Now I'm here. See what I do, I'm repeating. I was here. Rather than checking all these three elements again and verifying, okay, how many fruits I have, again verifying the sub array, I just directly, find out, okay, I just directly check how many different color of fruits now I have. So if I have more than more than two type of fruits, then I will just simply increment the left, because I know that there is no use, because we know that I cannot include the next fruit until unless I will be having less than two fruits, or until unless I don't have one type of fruit. I cannot add new fruit until unless I have one type of fruit. Okay, okay, fine. So simply I just increment the left. Okay, and now I am checking. Now I have two type of fruit. One is 1 and one is 3. If I have two type of fruit, what you are doing? You're incrementing the right. And when the right will reach here, you can see the size will be 5 over here. The size will be 5, which will be updated over here. Again, now your right is here. And number of fruits are how much? When the number of the idea is this. When the number of fruits are 3, keep incrementing the left. That's it. When the idea is this. If the number of fruits are 3, I don't tell you why this idea is working. That you need to think yourself. I'm just telling right now what is the idea. Okay. The idea is that when you have, the idea is simple, is this. 2-line idea. First thing is that until you have less than two fruits or two fruits, until you have less than equal to two fruits, you are incrementing the right pointer. You're incrementing your right. If you have 3 fruits, then you will start incrementing your left. Then up to how much time you will increment the left? You will keep incrementing the left until unless you have less than 2 fruits, until unless you have 1 fruit with you, because the new fruit can be added only when you have 1 fruit with you, or you have less than 2 fruits, you can say, or you have less than 2 fruit. If you have 2 fruits itself, still you cannot add the new fruit. So you must have less than 2 fruits, or I can say you have 1 fruit with you. Okay, this is the idea. That's it. How many people get it? How many people get this idea? You can ask the doubt also over here. Otherwise, I will, if you want me to explain it once again, you can ask me that also. Everything you can ask. In class, everything is fair. But in the exam, that will not be allowed. In class, if you will ask me to repeat, that is fine. But in exam, that chance will be not given to you. You have to take this chance in class. Okay, last time I'm going through this, but with different example this time. Now 1 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4. So this is the example I'm taking. Okay. Now I'm coming to your question. First, let's take this example. So I'm starting from here. Same logic I'm applying. Left is here until unless my max is 0 in the starting. Now I'm moving to the right. Okay. The moment you're moving also, you are incrementing the max also. Okay. At this position, the max will be 2 actually. 1. Sorry, 2. 2 fruits are here. Here 3 fruits. So I'm just writing till here. How many fruits will be here? 7. So you are incrementing, means 0 to 7. Okay. The moment you get you're incrementing. This is the right pointer you're moving. So you have two pointer, left and right. This is your right pointer is moving. Right pointer reaches here. Right pointer reaches here. So right pointer is moving until unless you have two fruits or less than two. Fine. The moment you get now the third fruit, third type of fruit, we will keep incrementing our left. Keep incrementing our left until unless I have one fruit with me. So I will, until unless means my left will not reach here, I will keep incrementing the left. Okay, now my left reach here. Now I have one type of fruit in my basket. Now I can add new fruit also in the basket. Okay, that's it. Now I can move this right pointer, because now I have one type is this and another type is this. So we can move up to this position. The total number of fruits now you can see is 8. So we can update it. This is more than previous one. I need to take the maximum of previous result and new result. Okay. So new is greater. So I will update 7 with 8. Now again, this is the third fruit come. So again the left will keep moving on until the left will reach here. Okay, fine. Fine. So the idea is simple. The idea is that keep moving the right until unless you have less than or equal to two fruits. Otherwise keep moving the left. That's it. Can you tell me, okay, what is the time complexity of this idea? Or you can, if you can fail this idea, tell me that also. Somehow if you can fail this idea, you need to think. No other way. You need to think. Tell me what is the time complexity. If you can tell me, if you know about the how to calculate the time complexity. If you don't know the time complexity, it is okay. Try to fail this idea. Give me any input into the chat section which can fail this idea. Yeah, Divya, you can for the coupon of the mastering DSA course. I think you are asking about the mastering DSA course. So for that coupon, you can yes, please contact the support team. Please contact the support team. They will provide you the coupon. Yes, for DSA mastering. Yes, okay, fine. Now, the time complexity given by the Ayush for this is order of n. Yes, Ayush, you are right. Yes, Ayush, you are right. Why we were able to reduce the time complexity? Here, see, one thing simply you can note. Either you are moving the left pointer every time. Every time, what are you doing? If the number of type of fruits are less than equal to 2, move the right pointer. Either move the left pointer. Every time you are moving one pointer. Okay. So what maximum can happen is that you can go through from start. Your left pointer might be might be you can, it's like 2n time you can move one maximum. Okay. Otherwise might be 2n time you can move on. 2n time. Why? Because right is moving, one is this thing, and after that left is moving. That's it. So total time complexity is 2n. That is again n only. That is again n only. That is again n only. So now one very important question for you people. That is the most important question for this lecture actually. That is the most important question actually. The question is like this. These ideas, both the ideas were almost same. Both the ideas, first approach and the second approach, both were almost same. So what is the difference we make so that the complexity reduced from n square to n? So this was the example I took. So let me take this example back so that we can relate easily. So in the previous approach one, we started from here left, moving to the right till we find out the two different type of fruits, and we update our max according to that. In this case, that will be 4. Then we move our left, and again we check actually. This is the problem which we are making. We are again moving from this position, again moving to the right, again checking this part in the approach 1. But what we are doing in approach 2, we are not doing this thing. We are not checking this stuff. If we have another variable right with us, we are just checking that, okay, if we have 3 different type of fruits, then we will just move the left. We will just move the left. Because why we are moving the left? The idea is that if because if we have 3 type of fruits, then the size of this will definitely smaller than this what we have already calculated, because already the left move from here to here. So if you get the size of this will definitely smaller than 4. So why we are calculating it again? If the size will be smaller than 4, then why we are calculating it again? So let's move on and until unless we have less than 2 colors actually. Okay, that's it. This is the thing we are adding over here, and this is helping us to reduce the time complexity. This is helping us to reduce the time complexity. Fine. Okay, now actually the technique which I apply in the second approach, that is known as sliding window technique. Let's see why I'm calling it sliding window technique. So if you notice here is that my first window was this, then my second window was this. Okay, let me make the bigger windows so that we can see the difference also. So you can see that, okay, one window was this, okay, like this. One window was this, and after that next time, okay, next window was like this, like, okay, and the next window in the approach 2 I'm talking about, in the approach 2. So we first we check for this, then we check for this, and we are moving our left meanwhile, and next window become this, which was giving us the maximum number of fruits. And then after that, okay, the window will keep moving actually. Next window was this. So we are moving window by window. We are processing the data window by window. So that's why this is known as sliding window technique. We are moving window by window. Here one window is telling us that, okay, these are the fruits which can be put inside two baskets. Okay, and we are moving from one window to another window. Okay, and the thing here is that we are not processing the same data in the second approach as compared in the first approach. In the first approach, we were processing the same data again. But in the second approach, we do not process that again. Okay, fine. Okay, let's try to implement it. So let me remove this board first, and let me bring this code over here. I'm taking the code directly to make the understanding little easier, because if I will write it line by line, I check out this thing, this will make the things little bit more complicated for you people. So it's better we check out it directly. Okay, so okay, fine. So here first step here is, okay, we are declaring some of the variables over here. We are declaring some of the variables over here. Okay, please check out this code. I hope the code is visible to you. Please stay with me inside the code. Please stay with me. Here we are declaring the variables. You can see over here we are declaring the variable. Let me zoom the window a little bit more. Control plus, little bit more. So this is the same thing, means what we have already done. So don't need to worry. So here we are declaring the variables. We took two variable to represent two different fruit. See, we can add only two fruits. Okay, so which fruit that will be, because every fruit is having a number inside the array. Different type of fruits are represented inside the array, so we can have only two type of fruit. So let me go a little bit faster. First of all, let me go a little bit faster throughout the code so that you can connect through it, and after that I will go line by line. That will be better idea. So the simple thing is that I declared some of the variable. In this variables I declared two fruits because I can add two fruits only, and I take two other variables which is counting how many fruits we have of one type, like fruit 1 count, fruit 2 count, fruit 1 count, fruit 2 count. How many one type of fruit we have, how many two type of fruit we have. We take two variables also, like we use in our dry run, like we were while discussing the logic, left and right. Okay, right was moving when we were having less than two type of fruits, and left was moving when we have more than two type of fruits. We have three type of fruits. Left is moving, less than 2, equal to 2, right is moving. So these are the left and right. This is the max variable, max picked. Initially the value is 0. This is the result. This will store our result, max picked. Okay, fine. Now, so we declared the variable, fine. We declared the variables, fine. Now, second step is, okay, we need to go through the complete array. We will keep scanning all the different type of fruit throughout the array. So this loop is just going through that different type of array, all the elements of the array, starting from 0 till the end. Till the end we are going on. Okay, just one we are moving on. So we will keep moving left and right. When we will move the right, when number of fruits will be less than equal to 2. When we will move the left, when that will be 3. Number of fruits will be 3. We will keep moving the left. That's it. Okay, fine. So first, this statement is just taking the fruit from the array. Okay, let me, just a minute. Let me take the tool back now so that you can relate with the example. And okay, fine. So this is our array. I'm writing over here 1 2 1 2. 1 was here. Okay, let me take the same example so that we can connect easily. 1 1 3 was here. 3 3 3 4 5. Fine. Okay, so in this statement what we are doing is, in this statement we are just simply picking the from this fruit array. This is the fruits array. Okay, we are picking the first element. Actually left and right now both are pointing here. Left and right both are pointing to 0. You can see both are 0. Both are 0. Let me show upside also if you want to see. So here you can see left and right both are pointing to 0. Okay, fine. Okay, and after that, this statement we are picking the first element, that is 1. We pick 1 and store it inside this variable fruit. Fine. Okay, we just pick it. Fine, and let me erase it and then move on. Fine. Okay, now what we are doing, we are going, see, in this loop we are just going from all the elements of this array. Fine. After that, what we are doing, we are checking, okay, this is the first fruit we are getting. Okay, so we are in this if statement, we are checking is that already available. This fruit is already available, Actually this is not already available, this is the first fruit we are getting. Okay, so we will come to the else. This is not the already available, this is checking, okay, is this fruit which we find out, is this matching with the previous fruit, fruit 1 or fruit 2? Actually this is not the, this is the first fruit itself, so this will not match with anyone. So we will come to the else part. Here we will actually, here we will see that, okay, fruit 1 is also -1, fruit 2 is, because this is our first fruit, so this condition will satisfy, means both fruit are not defined, so this condition will satisfy. In simple language, what we are checking here is, this is the first fruit we are adding, where we will add this fruit, whichever basket will be empty, first basket or second basket. So if first basket will be empty, we will add in the first basket, else we will add in the second basket. That's it. Okay, in this case, okay, because this was the first one, so we will add it into the first basket, we will add it into the first basket. Fine. Okay, so this condition is written, this part is written, this part is written just to show that, okay, we have this is the, our basket is empty, one of the basket is empty. Fine. Okay, let me reduce the size of the screen little bit, then we will move again. Control minus, this is not reducing. Fine. Okay, so I just tell you two things till now. I just declare the variables. Fine. I just go through the complete array. Fine. Going through the complete array. Checking if the fruit already available. No, fruit is not already available. This is the first time we are adding. If first time adding, okay, then we are checking over here. Whichever basket is empty. If first basket is empty, adding over there. Otherwise we are adding to the second basket. I'm just going through faster way. After that we will go step by step also. Now what we are doing is, if in this loop what we are doing is, actually this loop is checking for the left part. See, you can see left is incrementing. So if number of fruits are more than 2, then we will come to this part. How we are coming to this part? Okay, I will connect with if else, you will be able to identify, but right now I'm just telling directly. This while loop will tell you, okay, this will keep moving the left part until unless you have 3 fruits. Okay, this will keep moving on. So until unless you will left with 1 fruit in one basket should be empty, then only you can insert the new fruit. So this loop is doing that part. Fine. Okay, and after that, last thing, what we are doing, we are assigning the new fruit either to inside the first basket or inside the second basket. That's it. And after that we are returning our max. Fine. Okay, I'm going through this code once again. I just go through the faster way, so that now you will be able to connect it easy way. Okay, so the screen size is not reducing. Control minus, let me try to reduce the screen size. Might be we need to just a minute. Fine. Okay, it's not reducing. Give me as one more second. Let me try to reduce the screen size. Control minus is not working. Is there any other way? Do you people know? Here, done. Fine, I think this is done. Little bit impact is there. Let me reduce little bit more if possible. Okay, fine. I think this much we can do. Fine. Okay, I'm going through this once again. Simply, I'm going through it line by line now. Declaring the variables, taking two fruits, because only two fruits we can put in the basket, and we are taking the count of those two fruits. Because why we are taking count? Because this will help us to track if we have more than if we have more than two fruits or less than two fruits. This is the thing we need to know. If we have more than two fruits, then we will move the left pointer. If we have less than two fruits, then we will move the right pointers. So these two things are helping us in that. Otherwise we have left and right, and this is the max. Fine. Then we are going through the complete array, picking the fruit from the array, and okay, checking if the fruit is already available. If the fruit is already available, then we will just increment our counter. If fruit is already available, okay, then we can insert that in that particular basket. So whichever basket that is matching, see for example that is matching to fruit 1, we will increment the fruit 1 count. Otherwise we will increment the fruit 2 count. So if the fruit is already available, then we will just put that in that basket. That's it. Otherwise, if that one thing might happen, that like in the starting case, one thing might happen, that the thing is that, okay, if this is the first time encountering, means the baskets are empty, both basket is empty, or one basket is empty already, then we will just see which basket is empty. Whichever basket is empty, that will be having -1. So we insert that. If fruit 1 is -1, then we will insert the fruit into basket 1. Otherwise we will insert in basket 2. That's it. We are coming to the else part. This else is checking that, okay, if this is not the new fruit, if this is not the new fruit, then this is the third fruit we are going to add. Is the new fruit we are going to add. Then we need to make the space. To make the space, we are incrementing our left until we will keep incrementing our left until unless we will not remove either first fruit completely out of the basket or second fruit out of the basket. One fruit completely must go out of the basket. Then only the space will be there to insert the new fruit. This is what this loop is doing, incrementing the left. And after making the space, we are just inserting the fruit. That's it. And every time we are checking for the who is maximum and then returning the maximum. That's it. And we can submit this code. So this will be working fine. The size of this is not that much, reducing my screen. So fine. Any doubt in this, please ask. Any doubt, please ask. Let me try to reduce the size of this screen. Maybe I can exit from this first. Now let me try control minus. Or I can reopen this problem. Oh, now it's working. Now it start working. So any doubt in this, please ask. Any doubt in this? Fruits into, just give me a minute, baskets, lead code. Going back to this problem and control plus. Now we need to do, this is too small now. So this is the complete code. Okay, now you can visualize better way. This is the complete code. I will share this in the comment section after this session and you can check out it yourself. Okay, fine. Any doubt in this, please ask. At least logic will be clear to you people. I will share this code to you and you can check out it yourself also. Okay, So the main thing here was that, okay, if we are coming with the right logic or not. This is the Python code. I will share the Python code also. The same thing, means there is nothing changed in Python and C++ or in Java. This is the Java code. Java and C++ are almost same. Only two difference will come. So like rather than size function, we will use the length function over here. And to find the maximum, we will use the math.max. Otherwise all the code is same in Java and C++ over here. So I will share all these three codes with you people, and you can check out. It's better you check out it yourself. That is your homework also. Okay, the main idea here was that, okay, how we are solving this problem using sliding window technique. We reduce the time complexity from n square to n. So how the sliding window technique was helping us? In the same window, we were not solving the sub problem again. That is the main thing. In the same window, we are not solving the sub problem again. This is the concept of sliding window. And this concept will remain same for every problem. Every problem. Means if you have a window with you, then you will not solve the same problem in that window again. Again, you will not solve the sub window again. Okay, you need to jump to the next window. Okay, you will take the help of previous calculations and you will jump next. Okay, so what you people can do is, you can go to the lead code itself here, like you can go, let me show you how you can do practice. You can go over here, click on the problems, and let me wind up this thing. You can go to the tabs and expand it and check out the sliding window. Here is the sliding window technique. You can, so these are the problem from sliding window. Now you need to practice them. You need to practice them. So you know a little bit about the sliding window. What is sliding window? In sliding window, one solution we are getting from one window, another solution we are getting from another window. But to find out the next window solution, we are not calculating the common part. We are not calculating the common part in first window and second window. We are not calculating the common part. We are not calculating the common part again. That is the main idea behind the sliding window technique. Okay, so please try this at home now. That's it from my side today. I hope you get the idea of sliding window, how sliding window technique is working. And we solve one problem with the help of this. You can try this problem also, try this problem. You know about this problem now. Try to solve this problem at home. That's it for today. Any question? I'm waiting from 1 minute. Any question from you people side? I'm waiting now. Any question? Any type of question you can ask me. You can ask me about the any general question also, to how you can go for the DSA or related to this particular concept. You can ask me. I will share the solution for this, the coding part 1, in the comment section. You can check out there. You please try at your end and you share your solution. Okay, it's better you try your end and you share your solution. I will share for reference my one. Okay, that was not completely fitting in one screen, so I will share it in from my end. Otherwise, thank you everyone. If anything you want to discuss, we can discuss over here. Otherwise, bye bye, take care. We will come next week with next topic, with next technique. We will try to understand, we will try to understand the technique with the help of Google problem. So two things we are doing in one go. We are solving the Google problem, as well as we are understanding that technique. Okay, bye bye, take care. Okay, Ayush is saying I'm studying DSA parallel with you with your course. That's great. Ayush, you can take my DSA foundation course also, that is free of cost. Or if you want detailed course, then you can go for this course. Okay, let me show my one paid course, which is not that much expensive. You can go to the iNeuron website. This is very detailed course. You can go to the boot camp, you can go to the DSA, and here is the DSA mastering course. You can register in this course also. and the prices are already down to 499. You can register for this. This is the complete roadmap based course. Step by step we are moving with every technique we are covering in this course. So if you want, you can register for this course also. Otherwise, bye bye, take care, keep learning. We will meet next week Monday with another topic. I'm ending this session now.